Hello friends, welcome back to Cynthia's channel. Today we're going to be waxing my chin. The first time I noticed that I had a beard, let's call it what it is guys, hairy chins, a beard. This was before I found out that I have PCOS, which is why I always have to keep this place. I don't have to, but I like to. I choose to keep this place clean. Was one of my guy friends actually pointed it out to me. He's like, you have a beard. Guys, a beard. Guys, don't do that. People, friends, don't do that. But that's the first time. And then a few months later, I figured out why. I found out why. PCOS. And even if you don't have PCOS, I know a lot of female friends who have to get things waxed all the time. And you know I am broke, hence broke fat end. I am broke. So I like to do things by myself when I can. I went ahead and got my own like wax, my home kit basically. Some wax, a wax warmer, some sticks that I got from Dollarama. Very good stuff. My wax is the hot wax from Parissa. I've had this for a bit now. This is my third time using it, so I threw away the case. I'm sorry guys, but I will link the product down below. I got mine from Walmart, and I have my wax warmer as well, which I got from Walmart. I have some baby powder too, and I'll show you what I do with that. I have some cotton pads, Dollarama, and some after wax oil from Parissa as well. It came in the kit. So if you're looking for all of that, Parissa is a really affordable, nice brand. The wax warmer came up to about $13, and the wax itself was $6. To get my whole face done in Hamilton cost about $20 something. So this is just for one day. So do the math guys, I am saving money. I've used this is the third time, so I would have spent, wow, math. I don't know why I keep trying to do math on this channel. 25 multiplied by 3, 5. Math isn't my strong. Oh, it's 75. Of course it's 75. But before I go on and show you guys everything, first of all, are you subscribed yet? If you're not subscribed, what's happening? What's happening? I know I've been away for a bit, but I'm here to stay. So subscribe so you know when I'm back and when I have new videos for you. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know if you find this helpful. And now let's go to waxing my face. Enjoy the pain, guys. But before you go, hi, hello, hello, hi. Hello, hello. Now let's get started. I went ahead and put some baby powder on my chin just to soak up some of the oils my skin naturally produces. Parissa advises that you apply the wax up on the opposite direction of your hair growth. So what I'm noticing right now is that my hair is growing this way, so I'm going to apply the wax this way before I rip it off. Guys, don't laugh at my wax face. So the hair is going in this direction. And you don't want to leave the same, use the same stick to apply, like dip it back in there. So that's why I have 75 sticks, and you're supposed to leave it on till it's no longer tacky. Mine is no longer tacky. Don't want to leave it on for too long. Oh, it's been so long since I did this. Guys, look at this. Okay, so I did this part. Not everything came out, but Parissa advises that you shouldn't apply in one area twice in the same go. So I'll go back again maybe end of next week. And I'm just going to, and I'm going to make sure that unlike the last time, I don't leave it in for too long. I don't know if anyone's like me and they like to watch the blackhead videos, like when they take out blackheads. And I noticed some people like watching like waxing and looking at the aftermath of waxing. I will leave that at the end, so if you want to look at my hair follicles, if that's something that is interesting to you, you can find it at the end of this video after I say goodbye. I'm going to tweeze the leftover hairs. Before I do that, I just like to clean my tweezer every time I use it. I'm using a slanting tweezer, and I'm just using my tea tree oil because it's antibacterial. I will save the hairs for you people who like to see hairs. My trim hair is one of my insecurities, and in the past week I've been, not past week, but the past few weeks, I've been experimenting with just going out and not caring. I think a lot when I'm doing that. I'm like, you don't care, you don't care. And then halfway through, I use a scarf to cover my chin. Yay, I finally got the word right. It's been a while since my chin has been this clean. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I know I promised some special people that I will be showing you the aftermath of all this madness, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this video. If you have any questions about PCOS, shoot me emails. I know a lot of women and girls who've reached out to me just like in my personal life about like my experience with PCOS. PCOS stands for polycystic ovary syndrome. I can't even say it. Yeah, so if you want a video of me explaining what that means and how I found out that I had PCOS, let me know. That video will not be for my parents because we're going to be talking sex. But let me know. And thank you for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. It's so sunny out here. I'm going to go live my life fully.